I would recommend you choose between the header or the sidebar, because you don't really need two menus in a site. So now we go down, you'll see this shop and time section. Again, just like the sidebar menu, you can have it long, where it'll show the entire date like that, or you can just have it short, whichever one you prefer. And it will give you and you can also show the country or the state, region where the customer is from, or you can just turn these off like so. Now if you go down some more, that was the sidebar menu, which I already showed you guys. This is a photo carousel. You can add pictures, you can move it to wherever you want. You can put it under your products, or you can just put it over them, or you can add it in between, whatever you prefer. I like putting it near the header. It's very easy. You just add as many images as you want, and you just click on image and you just upload your image like so. So you just upload it like so. Go down to image, select, upload, and just rinse and repeat. And if you want to change any of the settings, you just go to photo carousel. You can add a header. Let's say Doug. Up here, right here. You can change the size, small, medium, large. And you can change how many rows there are for desktop or mobile. You can go down here and you can add arrows to navigate through them, or you can add a scroll bar right up here, right here. Now if you go down more, there's a product grid where your products are actually showing. You can change the column amount. You can add 3, 4, all the way up to 6. There's also options for quick add. You can make it transparent if you want, with white text. With white text. There you go. Like so. Or you could just disable it altogether. I like keeping it clean, so we'll just disable it for this tutorial. And if we go even way down, there's a footer where you can add, again, social media icons, language, just a lot of different options. And we also have the music player. There's two different options for the music player. There's this option, and there's a more simple option, which is just a play button. And you can change the color also. You can notch it for mobile, and you can choose whether to play it every time somebody visits your site. And to basically upload a song is very easy. It's similar to how you do the video. You would just simply go to your admin account, go to content, go to files, upload your file right here, upload your MP3 file. But all you have to do is copy the link when it's done uploading, go back to your theme edit, upload your URL, choose a song cover. You won't need it if it's simple. Song cover is basically what shows up. Let's just pick this Drake one. It'll appear right here. But if you're doing the simple version, you don't really need it. This will say Drake testing, and you would just press play. There's a volume. But if you're doing simple, you don't really need it. You just turn it off. Now to logo. Again, you can choose between a 3D model or a GIF or image, whatever you prefer. But for this tutorial, we'll choose a GIF. You just upload your logo right here. You can change the width, I like setting at 200. And you can also change the logo position. You can put it in the middle. Now as for product settings, you can add a glow around the products like so. And you can also change the intensity if you want it light, and you can also change the range also. I wouldn't recommend putting it big like this, but let's go for something a little bit more small. Let's go like this. Let's a little bit more. I like this. You can turn off the price if you want, or you can change the position of the price if you want to left or right. You can hide the name, and also the sold out badges. You can change the color to whatever color you want, or you can just hide it entirely, or you can actually change what it says. And you can also change the animations for hover, product animations. You can change your font styles right here. You can change it with the default Shopify, or you can change it with our theme fonts right here that comes with the actual theme zip. You have multiple different options. I personally like using Carrier New. Or you can also upload your own custom fonts right here. So for fonts, you just have a lot of different options. And you can also change your cursor. Let's say you want, let's just go logo again. If you want your logo, just enable this and like this. Just turn this off for now. You have the color schemes right here, layout, and your social medias are right here. And if you had it enabled for the footer, they'll appear below. Let's go ahead and save. And if you just want to change anything about the theme, you just click right here. You have the card section, you have the contact page section, you have the password section. You just have a lot of different options. Now if you want the password, you could just go here. First of all, let's change the background. This is way too bright. Let's say we want the same background as the enter page. Again, you would just go back to files, copy link, you just upload your link right here, and again, you can change just a lot of different things about it. Let's put the text on white. There we go. You can change the header. Let's add our logo. And you can change everything about it. Let's just change the width, make it a little bit bigger. And let's put it to center, and we'll also put the password to center. I have the password settings right here. And you also have the background. All you have to do is just enable it, and it'll appear right here. Let's set a date. We'll do 02/28, which is in a few days, and it'll work appropriately. Change the color, the size, whatever you want. Let's change the text color to white. And we can change the background color to, I guess black. And you also have the border color right here. We'll do black again. You just once you're done with everything, again you just press save.